Yesterday we were talking about the Marxist and that what Marxist thinks regarding the role of the educations, and according to them that education basically contribute toward the fragmentation of the workforce. Education is the ideological state apparatus. It produces another capitalistic person. We call it as a reproduction, and also education is the stabilizing force for the capitalism. That was something we discussed yesterday, right? So today we will write some criticism, or you can say that is a Marxist evaluation. Marxist evaluation. At the end of the functionalist, we discussed some of its evaluation point. Now we are on to the Marxist evaluations point. So in the Marxist evaluations point, the first person who came is Young. And Young argued that there is a one policy from the Marxist, we called it as a left functionalism. Now, what is left functionalism? So, according to Young, that the Marxists sound like functionalism. According to him, Marxists sound like functionalism. Just like functionalism, they also believe, Marxists also believe that education has a function, but Marxists said it worked for the ruling class, not for the society as a whole. For example, like functionalist, education has a system that works, but Marxists believe that system works for ruling class, not for society as a whole. Right? The number second we can add over here is, for example, Marxists see working class student as a passive worker, who are brainwashed. So that is another criticism. Passive workers mean that workers who always say yes, boss, right? And other person who say no, we call them active workers. So, but here Marxists call the working class student as a passive workers. Right? The third evaluation point that you can talk about is Willis. Now, what Willis says, Willis study the group of the classes, and according to them, the working class students are the passive one. But what they say that no, they are basically, they are the rebellions, because they have conducted the study in the US, and where they have seen that working class students are not exactly following the school rules blindly, but they are the active one, they are the rebellious. So again, that is another criticism you might add to criticize against school rules. What they have studied? They have studied the working class students in UK. One more point that we can write it over here. Number 4 is the Heath. As I discussed yesterday, that they criticize that Marxists always believe that education is basically creating or developing or building or making a passive workers, who are basically used for or work for the elite class, but according to them, vocational education becomes very helpful, especially for the women. Good for women. So again, that is the argument that you can write against the Marxist perspective.